take a look what we got here. I am extremely excited for this. So we can get it out here. Alright. Oh, you can see it there. I am very excited about this. Pull it out. This is an extremely beautiful box. Check that out, you guys. Wow. Beautiful signature. And I'm excited to check this out here. Let's see what it looks like. Let's see what it looks like. What do we have here? What a beauty. What a beauty. I can't believe it. Such a nice coffee cup. And definitely would recommend. I do have videos about Arturo Fuente in my catalog here. I'll leave that as one of the follow-on videos. I will also say that I have my Instagram and Patreon down in the description if you'd like to subscribe there as well. You can follow me there. I'm more active on Instagram than I am YouTube. Thank you guys very much for checking out my unboxing of these Arturo Fuente coffee cups. Thank you all very much and have a wonderful day.